If it was a country where we do our function, we do our work, look at what somebody said yesterday. You have your internal problems in your party. Internal, not you have problems between your party and another party. Your parties are not able to put themselves together. You come out and make a statement, national television, to say, look, it is not only killing, genocide against Christians. In essence, you have come out to tell the world that what this government is doing is kind of genocide against Christians. And I want the security agencies, for somebody to make such a statement, you will invite him to come, let me, maybe you know better, you know, you have facts. Can we give us so that we know what to do? Nobody will say anything. But if it is Wike, kill him, kill him. Look at it, it threats national security. They are calling Trump to come and save your democracy. When you cannot obey simple court judgment,